Here's a truly unusual movement from ClockParts.com. It's our hour-only trigger clock movement. Part number MVT-TM15. This movement causes an external chime device to trigger every hour on the hour. It can be a train clock, it could be a bird clock, motorcycle clock. It's got 14-inch lead wires, which make positioning the movement rather easy. It has the common American eye shaft for the clock hands, as well as the hand shaft, and it works with materials up to 1/2 inch thick. In case that 1/2 inch material thickness is too great for you, you can always just use a couple of washers over the shaft before mounting it to shim the clock movement back in the case. For more information, contact us at www.clockparts.com or give us a call at 888-827-2387.